And I think we've gone through all of the oils here. So you guys, congratulations. Good job. I'm so happy for you guys that you have these awesome oils that you can just turn to. I feel so much better knowing that I have a collection of natural medicine that I trust and that I can turn to when something is going on for my children, for myself, to help boost my immune system. It's a great way to ditch toxins in our home, right? Because we can replace oils with chemicals, or chemicals with oils. We can use them in our skin products. We can use them as a natural form of medicine. We can use them on our skin to help our skin look youthful and help with scars. Use them as cleaning products. Put them in with some vinegar and some spray and clean our house with it. We can use them as air fresheners and air purifiers. And it's just so amazing, and I love essential oils because they are so versatile. You can use them for so many different ways. And really, you can say essential oils are expensive, but when you think of all the different ways you can use them, and you can replace so many different things, it's really not that expensive, you guys. And one drop does magic. One drop is all you need. Now, I make my own hand sanitizer sprays. I make my own body products. I don't buy cleaners anymore. I have it all replaced with that. So it's amazing. Once you get the starter kit, your whole world changes, especially once you start learning what you can do with them, because you think, wow, I've got oils for this. I've got them for that. I can put them on my skin. You don't really have to go to the store for too many things afterwards. So anyway, you guys, hope you enjoy this. Please leave your comments and questions below. Share these videos with your friends, and share the message about natural medicine and how we can use this to better our lives and help strengthen our immune systems and protect our families. So thanks, you guys.